Hey guys, this is the S10. This is the S21. So, let's see what's in this box. Alright, it was the phone. The phone's not in here because the phone's over on the table. Alright, so you have the charger brick. You have USB cable right here. Okay, and I dropped it on the floor. Then you have your AKG headphones. Alright, so let's put all this to the side. And now, time for the real deal. S21 unboxing. This is the T-Mobile variant, by the way. Alright, so here we go. You have a little paper here, which I don't understand why they include this little paper, which is just fell out as soon as I opened the box. See if there's anything else on the lid here. Nope. Alright, so one thing we didn't do, on the lid of the S10 box, we have this little box right there that also has your SIM ejection tools and your books. So let's get back to the unboxing here. Okay. You have the phone itself, which is very, very pretty. Looks blue on my camera, but it's got a little purple tint to it. Got rose gold on the side there. Okay. Now, let's see what else is in the box. Here's that box that has your SIM ejection tool. Okay. And ready for it? Nothing else. So you are missing your charger brick. You're also missing your AKG headphones. Alright. These are probably like $20, $30 or more on Samsung's website. Okay. This, which would be the 25-watt charger for the S20 Plus, the 10, the S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra, which runs around $20. Okay, so that's profit margin that they're seeing there. Now, get back to the phone. You do get the gorgeous phone and the box, of course. I would hate for you not to, but yeah, this is the main reason why you bought the phone anyways. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please stay tuned for another video. Please subscribe and like the channel. In the meantime, that's it. Sorry this is short. I mean, there's nothing here other than the phone. Oh, by the way, no SD card slot on this phone. The S21 series, period. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and have an awesome day.